Now my ray gun does more damage. Soon, Bertram, you're up.
Hey, son, give me some help over here. The liposuction machines are leaking fat all over the place, and I'm trapped in it. I need 3 machine parts to fix it. Get them for me, and I'll be able to open the door for you.
I can't stand on this blubber, but it makes for good sliding.
Oh, to be the Lindbergh baby right about now. I'm so glad to see the nurses have found something constructive to do with this mess. Look at all this lard. Has Lois been cooking again? Ah! Oh, that's right. I went there. Shoddy workmanship. I find better formed pieces in my diaper.
Hey, son, hurry it up in there. The fat has reached the nipple line.
Forecast for tomorrow, a few sprinkles of genius with a chance of doom!
Oh, this place is lucky I'm saving my vengeance for Bertram. More antiquated material. Modern medicine indeed.
Holy crap, I'm about to drown in here. Get that last part quick or I'll be surrounded in more fat than a guest on one of them daytime talk shows.
Here's part 3 of the machine. Hooray and such.
Thanks a lot, little guy. The door should be open now.
Hey, Brad, how long before you think you end up in here?
Oh, a long time, unless I run into a baby with a ray gun. But what are the odds of that? I wish I'd studied Shakespeare now, so I'd have something to quote before dying!
Dr. Smith to the ICU. Dr. Smith.
Finally, the way out!
The dead walk!
Undead baby! Punch him in the head!
All right, maggots, in formation, just like we practiced.
Bloody bowels of hell!
Come on, you apes! Press those lines! Maintain your interval!
Bite my anus. There.
Dr. Davis to surgery. You left...
At last, the fat man! Now to find a way to dispatch those nurses.
Damn, I hate these last-minute additions. I don't remember her being on the list. Oh well, I don't want any trouble with the union. As if I don't already have enough to do. Damn, I was gonna ask her out later. What the hell's wrong with this thing? Come on, die already! Damn, I hate these last-minute additions.
Well, splendid. This calls for a sexy party.
Damn! Thanks to this pill, I shall have no trouble breathing inside the fat man's body. All right, let's get small.
Lois? Oh, what the hell happened? All I remember is Mr. Belvedere was there, and I remember something whacking me in the head. Belvedere! That's it! Mr. Belvedere has kidnapped my family and for some reason wants me dead. Well, I'll have to destroy you first, you evil, crafty nanny or butler or whatever kind of freaky thing you had going on there. Nice try, Belvedere. Thinks he can just take me out with one of his brainwashed henchmen disguised as a nurse? Well, it's gonna take a lot more than that to keep me from getting back Lois and Brian and Chris and Stewie and damn, I wanna say Russ?